The property located at 185 Vallecillos de Oro, San Marcos, California, is a one-of-a-kind North County facility offered for purchase or lease. This 29,477 square foot manufacturing industrial facility consists of approximately 3,472 square feet of two-story office and approximately 26,000 square feet of warehouse. The warehouse consists of manufacturing areas and built-out production rooms, which could be easily removed. It sits on a 1.79 acre parcel, which is fully fenced and secured and also completely secluded from the neighbors. The location of this property is irreplaceable, with direct access to Highway 78, Interstate 15, and Interstate 5. There is compressed air lines throughout the warehouse, as well as fire sprinklers throughout. This building is equipped with heavy power and has two different submeters, one at 1200 amps, 277, 480 volt, and the other at 600 amps, 120, 208 volt. The warehouse has a 22-foot clear height and 4 grade level doors. The outside yard area could be used for outdoor product staging and loading. For more information, please contact the brokers, whose information will be provided at the end of this video. Thank you.